G'day, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Co in Sanson. Today we're going to have a walk around this Ford F250 pickup. New Zealand new? Yeah, New Zealand new. These were manufactured in Brazil, sent out to New Zealand for the New Zealand market. Australia probably had a couple as well, but there was 5 of them. Now, for whatever reason, Ford didn't sell them, and they sat in their storage unit for 5 years before they were bought by dealers, registered and sold in 2006. So, manufactured 01, New Zealand new 06. Now, this particular one has only done 129,000 kilometres. It's got the 5.4 V8 Triton engine. It's had a camper conversion on the back, so you can still put your camper on the back if you want, or you can tow with it. It runs a COF, so it has quite a high tow rating. Let's have a look around the interior. So they're a pretty basic interior. There's not too much that's complicated about them, like you probably find on most modern vehicles. You've got 2 airbags, passenger and drivers. You've got cruise control. These are a 3-speed gearbox with overdrive on the tree there. Now this one here has had a later model Sony stereo fitted to it, so you've got Bluetooth. You've also got a 3-seater configuration, which is quite handy if you're taking someone with you. But of course this does, there's a little button here, and this here does fold down. So you've got yourself a cup holder and a little tray there. But you can see the interior here is in immaculate condition. Of course, don't forget we've got vinyl floor mats, make it easy for cleaning when you've got this thing at work. Now, as I said before, it does have provisions for a camper, so you'd lock your camper onto there, and then a strap down the back here as well. It does have a tow bar here as well if you want to haul a trailer. It's got a nice big long deck. You can fill that up with all sorts of machinery. Got nice all-terrain tyres on it, factory alloy wheels. It's a very straight and tidy truck, and as I said before, it's only done 129,000 kilometres. Let's fire it up and have a listen. It's got that beautiful V8 rumble that you'd expect out of a 5.4 Ford V8. So there we have it. 2001 Ford F250 pickup. It's New Zealand new, it's right-hand drive, it's V8, it's automatic, it's got a tow bar, it'll haul your gear, pull your caravan, you can load the back up, you can own it today. Come and see us at Countrywide Motor Company at 53 Dundas Road, Sanson, CWMC.co.nz. Thank you for watching.